How inflation quietly robs your savings, even when prices feel stable. Picture this. You've been saving diligently. You've got $10,000 sitting in your savings account. You feel good about it. You're disciplined. You're proud. But here's the thing. 10 years from now, that same $10,000 might only buy you what $7,000 buys today. And the worst part? You won't even notice it happening. That's literally you, right? You're saving, you're disciplined, but inflation is quietly robbing you. My name is Nick, and I spend way too much time thinking about money tricks, budgeting, inflation, etc. Today we will discuss how inflation eats away at your money. If you're someone who saves hard but feels like you're never getting ahead, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Challenging beliefs. Most people think inflation is only a problem when prices are skyrocketing, like when gas jumps 20 cents overnight. But here's what most people don't realize. Even when prices feel stable, inflation is still eroding your savings. Now, let's bring some statistic here. Average U.S. inflation over the last 100 years is about 3% annually. That means money loses half its value roughly every 24 years. Think about your grandparents. A movie ticket in the 1970s cost about $1.50. Today, it's $1.12, $15. Same movie, same popcorn, but the dollar buys less. Inflation is like termites in the foundation. You don't notice until the structure is weak. Clear math examples. Example 1. $10,000 in a savings account earning 0.5% interest. Inflation at 3%. After 10 years, your $10,000 grows to about $10,500. But adjusted for inflation, that $10,500 only buys what $7,800 buys today. You lost $2,200 in purchasing power. Example 2. $50,000 saved over 15 years. Inflation at 3%, that $50,000 shrinks to about $32,000 in real terms. Enough for a car, not a house. Example 3. Rule of 72. Divide 72 by inflation rate. At 3%, your money halves in 24 years. At 6%, it halves in 12 years. It's like filling a bucket with water while there's a small hole at the bottom. You keep pouring, but the level never rises. Psychology of money. Here's where it gets really interesting. Psychologically, we anchor to the number in our account. We see $10,000 and feel secure. But our brains don't naturally adjust for purchasing power. Now, let's look at some common psychological biases that shape how we handle money. Anchoring bias. We fixate on the number, not its value. Loss aversion. We fear losing money, so we avoid investing, but inflation guarantees loss. Hedonic adaptation. We adjust to higher prices without noticing. I had a friend who saved $50,000 over 15 years. He was proud, but when he went to buy a house, he realized that $50,000 wasn't even enough for a down payment in his city anymore. That discipline was real, but inflation had eaten away at his dream. Surprising insights. Here's what most people don't realize. Inflation doesn't just rob savers. It rewards borrowers. If you owe $200,000 on a mortgage, inflation makes that debt cheaper in real terms over time. Statistic. The S&P 500 has averaged about 10% annual returns over the last century. Even adjusting for inflation, that's about 7% real growth. It's like standing still on a treadmill. If you're not moving forward, you're actually moving backward. Objections. Now, you might be thinking, but investing feels risky. Look, keeping all your money in cash is risky too. It's guaranteed to lose value. At least with investing, you have a chance to beat inflation. And now you might be thinking, but I don't understand investing. That's fine. You don't need to be Warren Buffett. You just need to automate index funds. But what if the market crashes? It will, and it will recover. That's the cycle. Action steps. Stop parking all your money in savings accounts. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses as emergency fund, but invest the rest. Learn the rule of 72. Divide 72 by your return rate to see how fast your money doubles. At 7%, it doubles in about 10 years. Automate investing. Set up recurring transfers into index funds or ETFs. Think in purchasing power, not account balances. Ask yourself, what can this money buy me in 10 years? Diversify. Stocks, real estate, even side hustles. Multiple streams protect against inflation. This is where it gets really interesting. Inflation is the silent enemy of wealth. But once you understand it, you can flip the script. Instead of being robbed, you can use it to your advantage. You can build wealth while everyone else is losing ground. Discipline isn't just about saving. It's about saving smart. It's about investing in assets that grow faster than inflation. So here's the bottom line. Inflation is stealing from you every single day. But you don't have to let it. Start investing. Start thinking in purchasing power. And start building wealth that lasts. If this video helped you, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share this with someone who's still letting inflation rob them. Trust me, they'll thank you later.